mind present you all that. Our overview is history, symptoms, definitions, treatment, transmission, preventions, mortality rate, experiment, origin, transmission part 2, chance, social effects, summary, and conclusion. The history. It was founded by Samuel Darling Taylor in 1905. It was founded by mistake when he was in the autopsy thinking that another patient died by pneumonia. This spread to be now known as the Darling disease. Symptoms. Similar to pneumonia. Chest pain, fever, dry cough, loss of breath may appear without symptoms. Definition of histoplasmosis is a disease that attacks the lungs. It may be severe or also be a fluke. It may also spread to other organs and affect them in different ways. The treatment. It may not need medicine. It may go away like a cold, but if you have it, avoid contact with other people, and you may need to take the medicine. It should be also. Transmission. You get it from bird or bat feces. The bird and bat feces leave invisible spores in the air, and the spores are called histoplasmosis capsulatum. It's caused by the inhalation. Prevention. Stay away from areas where birds hang around and avoid feces unless you work for a sanitation company. Take vaccines. The mortality rate is 30 in 100 people due to the disease. The mortality rate has dropped since 2003. Now it is 10 in 100 people because of technology evolving. By experiment, they took mice and filled a container with histoplasma capsulatum. The mice inhaled the disease and became sick for 2 months or 8 weeks. Then the scientists injected half the mice with intranasal B and the other half with intranasal A. The experiment continued. The goal was to find out which medicine worked better with the least side effects. The results. The intranasal B worked better. Side effects for intranasal A was headache, dizziness, and loss of balance. Side effects of intranasal B was dizziness and headache. The origin. It originated in Europe and was brought to America by early French settlers. It spread across America quickly, caused trouble for explorers of the West Coast. Transmission. Cannot be transmitted human to human. Only 2 ways to receive it is by inhalation of spores or contact with an animal with fur. Chance. Without vaccine, there is a 95% chance if spores are inhaled to receive disease. With vaccine, it is a 20% chance to receive disease. If an infant inhales spore, 100% chance to receive disease. Social effects. Loss of house income, loss of friends and socialization, loss of job, and loss of movement. Summary. Founded by Samuel Darling Taylor, symptoms are fever and chest pain. Intranasal is the medicine obtained by inhalation of spores. Avoid contact with feces. Conclusion. The disease can be very easy and very fatal at times. Thank you. Questions and answers?
Jasmine, do you have a question? Raise your hand.
One of the treatments take iconazole, do you know what type of medicine?
Yeah, one.
Yeah.
I believe it is a pill. But
How long does it take before you see the symptoms?
2 to 3 days. Chris.
Why do you lose your house, your money, your job, friends?
Can you repeat that?
Why do you lose your house, your money, your job, your friends?
The disease, it won't allow you to work, like, it causes pain, and you won't be able to move, and people won't like to be around you because they'll think that you can spread the disease to them, and because you can't go to work, you lose income. Corey?
You said that the disease can be transmitted by animals with fur. So does that mean it doesn't necessarily have to be the feces of birds and bats?
Well, it does, but the animals have been around the feces and the spores get stuck in their fur, and when you are around them, you may inhale the spores from their fur and get sick. Josh?
I have two questions. One, what is the dosage of the, first, what is the treatment name that you take? What is it called?
Like the name of the medicine? Intravenosa.
Well, what is the dosage of that?
I will have to conduct further research to answer your question. Mine. Okay.
You said that the disease was founded by Dr. Darling. What exactly do you mean by that?
Like, he is the person who discovered and discovered the disease.
One more question.
Jonathan? Yeah.
John, I have a question. I have two questions. A two-part question. One, so this disease can or cannot be transmitted by human to human.
It can't.
So when people still be able to come around you, like, why would people be afraid?
Because they're for the most part, they'll be inexperienced and won't know that it can't be transmitted person to person. That's why they'll be afraid.
All right, jazz hands.